Dear student, myself Digan Sakhiwala, I am your science sir. Today we will continue chapter number 2, acid, base and salt. Dear student, last time we learned about the pH scale. Today we will learn importance of pH in everyday life. So in this chapter, in this topic, we are going to learn importance of pH in our digestive system. Dear student, when we eat the food enter into the stomach. At that time hydrochloric acid is produced. This hydrochloric acid pH change is 1 to 3 when we eat the food or when it is going in the stomach. At this pH, one enzyme called pepsin is activated, and because of the pepsin, the protein is digested easily. But suppose we eat the food like fish, egg and meat, in that more amount of protein is present, so more and more hydrochloric acid is produced, and because of the more and more hydrochloric acid, the more paining is started in our stomach, and that is called acidity. To avoid the acidity, we have to take the antacid. As an antacid, we use sodium carbonate, or it is also called sodium bicarbonate, or it is called the baking soda, or we use milk of magnesia, that is called magnesium hydroxide. In some tablet, calcium carbonate, aluminum hydroxide is also present. Okay, they act as an antacid. Dear student, now we are going to learn importance of pH in the soil. The soil whose pH is between 6.5 to 7.3, the growth of the shrub is ideal. But suppose the soil is acidic in nature, in that farmer added calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is also known as quicklime. So when the calcium oxide is added, then already in the soil water is present, moisture is present, it makes calcium hydroxide. So this calcium hydroxide react with the acidity of the soil, so we can remove the acidity of the soil. Same way, suppose the soil contain pH more than 7.3, then the soil is called the alkaline soil. Alkaline soil means basic soil. To avoid the basicity, in that gypsum is added. Gypsum is CaSO4 2H2O. Okay, so it neutralizes the soil. Now CaSO4 2H2O, whenever it is added in the soil, then it react with the moisture present in the soil and it make the sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is acidic in nature, and it react with the basicity of the soil. Here sulfuric acid is produced, that is in the dilute form. Okay. Importance of pH in the stopping the decay of teeth. Dear student, it is very important to do the toothbrush 2 times. Why? We will understand here. When the pH of inner of mouth is less than 5.5, the decay of teeth take place. Okay, so why this pH of the inner side of the mouth became a less than 5.5? Some bacteria are present. Suppose we are not doing toothbrush, at that time bacteria start decomposing the food present in our mouth. Okay, they start decomposing the food and saccharide, and they make the acidic medium. And when the pH is decreases less than 5.5, at that time it start reacting with the teeth, and our teeth is made up of calcium phosphate. Dear student, remember the formula of calcium phosphate. It is Ca3PO4 twice. Ca3PO4 twice, it is somewhat basic in nature, and our mouth is acidic in nature because of the decomposition reaction by the bacteria. So tooth decaying started. Okay, to avoid that, we have to use toothpaste or tooth powder which are basic in nature. Okay, dear student, saccharide is a long chain of carbohydrate. Okay, dear student, we are going to learn importance of pH in the remedy of effect of bite of honeybee. Dear student, when red ant bite, at that time it send the formic acid in our body. Okay, it send the formic acid or methanoic acid in our skin, and because of that is an irritation started. Same way, when honeybee bite, at that time it send a very strong acid called melittin. It contains 26 amino acid, and because of that is an irritation and swelling is started. To avoid it, it is acidic in nature, so we have to apply some basic nature compound. So we add sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is also called sodium hydrogen carbonate, or it is called baking soda. Dear student, importance of pH in existence of living beings. In our body, all physiochemical or physiological reactions are going on, and the range of the physiological chemical reaction is 7.0 to 7.8 pH. If there is a change in the pH occur, then some living organism cannot bear it. Okay. When acid rain mix with the water reservoir like river or pond, then the pH value is decreases. Dear student, we know that how the acid rain is formed. Non-metal oxide like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, they are going into the atmosphere combined with water and they come as a rain. So that rain is called the acid rain. And then when this acid rain mix with the reservoir like pond and river, so the water of the ponds and river is also become acidic. Okay. The existence of aquatic life kingdom like fish, microorganism and aquatic vegetation are being risked. Because of that reason, what happened? Fishes are there, microorganisms are there, plants are there in the river or pond. Their life is in the risk. So this is all about the importance of pH in our daily life.